In this training, we're going to be reviewing how to enter in a taxable investment into the Voyant global platform. To do this, you're going to go to the plus button in your bottom right-hand screen, select Savings and Investments, and from here, you're going to select the investment section. The first option is going to be our taxable investment. I want this to be jointly owned by both spouses. I'm going to give this a name, and we're going to give it a starting balance. And we also want to make sure to include the purchase value so that we get the correct tax treatment upon withdrawal. So I'm going to enter in a purchase value or cost basis, and then I'm also going to account for ongoing contributions into this account. So this couple is going to put $1,200 monthly into this account. And then in the growth section, you have a few different options. You can use an entered growth rate in order to model just a fixed growth deterministic throughout the plan. Or you can go to your portfolio section, and if you have some, you can select Use Portfolio, and this will load your custom portfolios. You can click here to select any of the ones that you have available, and then use your slider bar to select from the different options within your portfolio set. I'm going to keep this as a moderate growth portfolio, and then I'm going to just clarify that my fees are being modeled correctly. We're doing a 5.69% average rate of return, and then we're going to be deducting 0.5% for product fees. Under timing, I want to just confirm that my contributions are going to start this year and end when Johnny retires. And then in steps, I want to add a step so that we can de-risk this portfolio around retirement. We're going to add a step. I'm going to go to growth, turn on this asset allocation, and move this down to a conservative portfolio. And then I want to go to my timing screen and select Johnny's retirement for this to be when this occurs. So we're going to click Done to save. And then just to review a couple of other things, if you need to move assets into this account from another existing account within the software, you can use this transfers section. If you want to put a withdrawal limit on this account, you can do so by selecting these different types. And if you need to make any scheduled withdrawals from this account outside of the regular liquidation order, you can do that here in the Add Withdrawal section. I'm going to now select Done to save that account. And then I'm going to just confirm via my details that we are using taxable money to help meet expenses in the retirement years. And then I just want to double check that my step for de-risking their portfolio is occurring correctly. So I'm going to do that by going to Year View, Investments. I can confirm in the first year of the plan, we're using that moderate growth portfolio, and it's growing 5.19% net of fees. And then when we move to retirement, I just want to confirm that we are de-risking that portfolio. So I can see now we've had a change in the net growth, and you can see the allocation you're using. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us by clicking the name of your client in the top right corner, requesting support, and sending us your question via this text box. Thanks for listening.